Hey everybody. So this is my 2022 Ram. Now 6.4 Hemi, first oil change. Nothing out of the ordinary. Come on guys, it's an oil change. But let's take a quick peek under here. See the filter? Of all the oil changes, of everything I've ever worked on, I want you to look at that filter and I want you to look below it. See the pan there? I have never, in all my days, changed oil that had a nice little drain pan to catch everything and send it down. Oh my God. I have never wanted to kiss an engineer a day in my life. I did today. That was absolutely the nicest surprise. So, yes, I'm loving the Ram. The 2500's been a great vehicle. First oil change. Now I did it 1,400 miles. My whole reason for doing that is that brake-in oil, the factory oil, I do not like to leave in there. So, that's where we leave it. Everybody, you have a good, safe day. There we are, but you have a good, safe day. Enjoy.